everyone, welcome to our journey video. I'm the team leader of Belger team, AAKRUTI. This video is going to be about the process of our project, and let's get started.
I'm from Belger team. I'm the simulation analyzer in the team, and these are some part of my simulation analyzing journey.
Hi, my name is Eray Yener in Belger team. I'm mainly responsible for designing process, and these are some my parts which I designed in my designing journey.
Hi, I'm Mehmet Uzun from Belger team. I'm generally responsible for the design process of the project.